Make your nigga divorce you. Yes. I ain't no camera. Did you and Will spend time on your birthday? Okay, y'all, so I already laid my edges, and I hate that I already laid my edges because I really wanted to show y'all my edges because I don't think I did it in a minute. But I'm getting ready to go somewhere, and I can't really tell y'all what it is right now, but I am gonna tell y'all soon, pretty soon. Just know it's good, but I'm getting ready to go check some out right now. I'm about to get ready to get dressed and head out. I'm really supposed to go get my feet done. Girl, why is this not going on here? I'm gonna show y'all my outfit and all that before I head out, but I'm kind of in a rush. But I think I'm finna wear, hold on, y'all. So I think I'm just finna wear this dress right here with some cute sandals. Okay, y'all, so I just got out the shower, did my hair and all that. Now I gotta get to put on my perfume, and I'm finna go. I got to put on some good perfume because I'm finna be around people. Like I said, I want to tell y'all, but I can't tell y'all right now. But the perfume I'm wearing today is by Dossier. Shout out to them. And this is the Floral Violet, Tom Notes Watermelon, Strawberry Middle Violet, Jasmine Base Notes, Vanilla, Blonde Woods. This is supposed to be inspired by Marc Jacobs Daisy. I know, I spray perfume all over. We'll put a little behind my ear. You put it on the spots that move. That's like this from Destiny. Any spot that have an opening and they'll do that, I move. So you go behind your knee, and then I put it. Oh, it smells so good. And then I put it out. Oh, this smells so good. But again, this is the Floral Violet. Just give y'all a little background. Dossier is a company that make replicas of your favorite perfumes, colognes, and they even make candles now. So shout out to them. So with Dossier, they makes the replica of your favorite scent. So this bottle runs you $39. When I say it smells just like your high-end perfumes, you can get your high-end perfumes in a bottle for a cheaper price. So be sure to check out Dossier website. Y'all already know I'm gonna have all the info in the description box, and y'all already know, use my discount code. Be sure to shop. If you meet me and you smell me, I got on Dossier. That's the only perfume I wear. Thank you to Dossier for sponsoring this video. I love y'all. When I say I love that perfume, I'm not gonna lie, I really do love it. Like, this all I wear. I promise, this all I wear. And I gotta get out because I got a meeting at 6 o'clock, so I gotta go. And I smell good. Stop playing. Yeah, wish me luck. Bye. Okay, y'all, so this is my first time at Chipotle. And I don't know if I'm scared. Oh, why is it looking like this? I've never been here, y'all, so I don't know what. Is that like Pico the guy right there? You can give me that. Let me do. Yeah, can you just make it good for me? I ain't never been here.
You want lettuce?
Yeah. You're tripping.
There you go. Have a good day.
I ain't no camera. I'm like, you young ugly time.
Not on mine, but yours on camera up there though.
Okay, y'all, this is my bowl. This is the chicken, what is it called? Chicken power bowl? Chicken bowl? Chicken alpaca bowl. Shout out to the young girl, because the older lady was kind of rude. Like, real. We can taste it. Okay. Okay, y'all, so she made mine. I told the lady when we came to Chipotle, this is my first time there. I only know of them because my brother eat there a lot. Shout out to Stunner. So the old lady was rude. She was so focused on making sure I'm not recording her, that she not listening to me. And I'm telling you, it's my first time here. Shout out to the young girl that was next to her, though, because she helped me. But I don't like that. People in food, fast food, whatever, you chose that job. They didn't come looking for you. You put in that application. So have some gratitude, some humbleness about yourself. Like, for real, because that just made my first time at Chipotle horrible and made me not want to go there no more. So Chipotle, y'all need to come like Chick-fil-A when it comes to your customer service. Like, Chick-fil-A food overrated, but they customer service A1 10. That's why y'all like Chick-fil-A so much. It ain't so much the food, it's the customer service.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I barber? Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say oh. I know you're trying to leave, you miss. I said I dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance.
What's up, y'all? I literally just woke up, took a shower, washed my face, brushed my teeth, and instantly looked at my hair. This is my birthday hair. If you've been following, shout out to my cousin because it really lasts. But my braids not stitching no more, so it's time to come down. I'm not the one who try to make the hairstyle work. Like, I'm not finna do that. Like, it's finna come down, it's time to come down, it's time to get something else. So I'm finna go on live though because I wanted to film me taking down my hair, but I ain't want y'all to just watch me take down my hair. Like, I wanted to answer some questions. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Dominique _ LaShae _. Here it is right here. If you don't follow me, be sure to follow me. So I'm just gonna go live. And should I do live on Instagram or YouTube? I think I'm gonna do Instagram. And I'm gonna just let them answer me questions. So I hope they actually give me good questions. So we gonna... My hair probably right here. Girl, do I need to just cut this? Some is stuck and it won't unravel. Did you and Will spend time on your birthday? I spent time with everybody. I spent time with family, friends, everybody. The people who matter to me. I ain't even struggle with this, baby. We just gonna cut that off. If some hair came out, oh well. I answered the Will. How is your knee? Is it healing? My knee is, the process is good. The thing is, I can walk, y'all, true enough. But still, I can't walk long distance. And still, my knee is like bigger than the other knee. And it's like, it feel like a lot of pressure on it. And I'm not understanding. But the doctor was like, oh, the bone just bruised. But again, he said bone bruise is worse than ACL and meniscus tore because there's something a doctor can go in and fix with a bone bruise. You can't, a doctor really can't fix it. It just have to, you know, basically heal on its own overdue time. So I'm ready for it to be 100%. Like, I don't know. I said I was gonna start taking yoga because he told me to do like strengthening exercises. So I was gonna look into yoga. My little sister told me to look into Pilates because I feel like I need to get some weight off my knee. That's me personally. How is the dating life within this generation? Within this generation, I can say the dating life is, I don't like dating within this generation. The reason I say that is because the parents are getting younger, meaning morals and values is dropping. Like older parents, you know, install morals and values. My parents install morals and values. My parents raised us where be independent, don't need nobody for nothing. Like my mama used to always tell us a grown tub stand on their own legs, meaning when you get an adult, baby, you supposed to stand on your own, be independent. So it's like this generation is basically, I call it a handout generation. Like if you ain't tricking, they don't want you. Or if you not dropping it off, they don't want you. I don't have time for that, baby. I can't do it. I can't. This generation is just terrible. Like from man and female. The women want the man to pay for their light bill, mortgage, rent, everything. Like you coming in off top looking for something, wanting some handouts. Baby, I ain't got time for that. Y'all need to step it up. We need to bring independence back. Where is INDEPENDENT? Do you know what that means? What that said? Cause y'all don't know what that mean. Y'all don't know what handouts. This y'all. This generation. We don't do handouts, boo. We grind. We go get it. Like, no. Slow down, y'all. Slow down. Baby, they coming in with the questions. Stop playing. Do you see yourself getting married and having kids? Yes. I would love... That's another thing about this generation. This generation has downplayed marriage so bad, y'all. So bad. But me, I still want to be married. Yes, I want to be married. As far as kids, I'm iffy iffy on it because I don't know. They say at 35, that's when women start having complications, and I'm 31. So that means I got 4 years to meet my husband. Know for sure this who I want kids by. Can I do that in 4 years? It depends on what God got for me in the future. So give me a husband within these 4 years, then yes, I think about having kids, but I don't know if I really truly want kids. Like, my nephew is enough for me. Me having my own kids. But y'all know what's crazy? Because everybody always tell me, even my mama now, that I'm good with kids. Like, kids love me. Friends and everybody always telling me, oh, you'll be a good mom. But me, myself, personally, I don't see myself as being a mom. Like, auntie, I loved it. I love Lincoln. I love spending time with him. And I don't think Lincoln even allowed me to have a kid. I don't think he would. I don't know. I don't think I want kids. I think I can be woman enough to say, I don't want kids. Is that bad? Is it bad to not want kids? How do you feel that people seem to be using God as a new trend? Is that something I want to touch bases on? I'm not God. I don't judge. I hope y'all really into God. That's all I say. I don't think that's something I really want to go deep into, though. Nah, I ain't. Nope. You ain't getting me. Nope. Would you do a cooking segment? Do y'all like seeing me cook? I have to do things that y'all gonna watch, because a lot of times, no lie, I be going off of what the subscribers, well, I haven't been doing it recently. I've been doing more vlogs, but like even with the clothing house, I be trying to go off of what y'all say, and it's like I start accepting clothing house sponsorships, but y'all don't watch it. So I have to think about, what do my subscribers really want to see? It's like y'all to give me opinions, and I love y'all opinions, and I be wanting to try new stuff that y'all want me to do. Y'all don't be watching it. Y'all watch more vlogs than anything, so that's what I'm starting to do more now. Comment down in the video what's something y'all want me to cook, and I'll try to get that out there. Do you still like Michael Kors? Y'all know what's crazy? I haven't touched a Michael Kors purse in my closet. I don't know why. I'm so stuck. I got this one black bag. One black bag that I wear everywhere. That Teddy Blake bag, y'all did their sponsorship years ago. And that's the only bag I carry. I don't know why. It's like I'm addicted to carrying that one bag. Like, I done wore it so much. The Teddy Blake, nah, not kind my foot. That's how much I done wore that bag. This is really giving. Should I wear my hair in the braid out? Cause baby, what happened to braid outs? People don't wear braid outs no more. But them joints used to hit. Like, y'all, we just used to get our hair braided just to take it down, if you think about that. I used to make my mom braid my hair just to take it down the next day. Like, just for the braid out. Them joints used to hit, though. If you had $1 million, what would you do with it? Baby, if I had $1 million, I would honestly sit down with my family, have a business meeting, and see how we finna flip this million. $1 million could be spent so quick, y'all. So I would really have to sit down, give my family, we finna business plan this, and we finna figure out how we finna flip this million to make more millions. Are you happy with your size and body? Would you change anything? So am I happy with my weight, size, and body? Yes, I am happy with my size. Yes, I am happy with my body. I love my body. Do I want to lose a few pounds? Yes. But am I happy with my size and body? Yeah, because I still can snatch niggas, hide your uncle, your baby daddy, your mama, your daddy, your uncle, your auntie, or whoever. Cause can I still snatch your nigga? Yes. Can I make your nigga divorce you? Yes. When I step in the building, it's all eyes on me. Yes. When I walk in the building, is you gonna be mad you bring your nigga out? Yes. Do I not only break necks when I walk in the building? I'm breaking bodies, period. You gonna hurt your body trying to hurry up and turn around and look at me. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy. This how confident I am, y'all. This how confident within myself I am. I'm the type person, my spirit, my personality, my vibe, everything. When I walk in the door, you gon' hurry up and blindfold your nigga. Cause you already know what's going on when Dominique LaShae step up in the building. I'm just saying, period, point blank. It is what it is. Like, when they say don't bring a nigga to the club or don't come to the club in a relationship cause you gonna walk out single, they meant me. When they got on their mic, Dominique LaShae in the building, better blindfold your nigga. That's all I'm saying. And we gonna end it right there.